We have a new recipe we're going to try today. After I've said something about not wanting to put chocolate in my banana muffins, I actually received a recipe from my daughter-in-law, one of my daughter-in-laws, Jess. Thank you, Jess. We're going to try it today in honor of you. It's actually from Sally's Baking Addiction. It's a banana streusel muffin. So I'm excited. Join me.
Brown sugar. Need to stir with. And then
Doesn't this look amazing? This is going to be good. This is in the middle of the muffin and then on the topping. Oh, yeah, I don't know. I'm not really a chocolate with banana flavoring person or cinnamon, but I'm going all in today.
flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon.
We're going to go ahead and do our butter, sugar, and all that stuff in a mixer. I know we talked about this before, but when bananas start to go bad, this is close. This can be put in a smoothie, which is much healthier than all this other stuff, but it's okay. Anyway, so this could be put in a smoothie or banana bread. If you're not able to get to the banana bread making, you can just put it in the freezer. And in the freezer, it looks like this. Put it in the microwave for about a minute, minute and a half, and let it get kind of soft again. And now when I open this up, it's just going to drop right into the mix. It's going to be wonderful. And I don't even have to touch the nastiness.
Just kind of make sure that it's all getting together. I can feel chunks of butter on the bottom. Just don't want to have the chunks when I get ready to add the flour. It says low speed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up by hand.
I really should get a cookie scoop, though. It would be a lot easier for the muffin part.
Okay, I'm going to do this. Streusel time. Mess number 1. Although I'm sure there's another one involved somewhere that I've missed counting. This is probably not a good thing I'm trying this recipe, Jessica. Okay, let's see. That didn't work like I planned. Doing, as you can see, about half of that. It probably is about a tablespoon. So now we're going to take our leftover streusel topping. Now it says it should be filled to the top, and this is pretty filled to the top.
We're going to go ahead and cook it for 5 minutes at 425. We're then going to leaving it in the oven, turn it down to 350, cook it for about 15 minutes, and then we'll kind of time it from there and see how it's going. It could be a little longer. I'll let you know. Her recipe says 15 to 16 minutes. So we will see. Total time will be 20 to 21. This is a perfect recipe to do before work. And then you don't have to run so late.
Great scrumptious.
I just wanted to show you how I get them out of the pan. Look at how good they are. They smell delicious. They look beautiful. Oh my gosh. What do you think? Aha. Doesn't that look yummy? Oh, thank you, Sally. Thank you, Jess. Now we get to try it. Look at all that texture. So light, the little air pockets, chocolate and pecans in the middle. Nice crust there. Oh, that looks good. Yummy. So good. Okay, I take back what I said. Cinnamon, chocolate, banana, kind of goes together. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I just want to remind you that Jesus loves you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
I wish I could be cool like some of those video people and, you know, just dump it in there.
Okay, we're going to go. It's awfully dark, isn't it, today? I think my lights are going out.